What a friendly heaven, Jesus. What a friendly heaven, Jesus. All our sins and griefs to bear. What a privilege to carry everything to God in prayer. Oh, what peace we have forfeit. Oh, what needless pain we bear. All because we do not carry everything to God in prayer. Every trials and temptations, is there troubles everywhere? We should not be discouraged. Take it to the Lord in prayer. Can we find a friend so faithful who will our sorrow share? Jesus, I know that every weakness. Take it to the Lord in prayer. Everything to God in prayer.